Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Power the machine and open the Heyer app. Make sure your router broadcasts too. 4 GHz because many appliances don't use 5 GHz. Once the washer is powered, press and hold the Wi-Fi/pair button until the indicator flashes. Then, in the app choose Add Device, select your model, and when prompted enter the exact Wi-Fi password. Move quickly but calmly. Short delays can time out the pairing process, so stay within 1 to 2 meters of the washer while the app connects. Once done with the initial steps, the app will search and try to connect. You need to confirm the SSID and retype the password if the app requests it, because auto-filled text sometimes fails. Make sure you disable mobile data and any VPN on your phone so the handshake goes over local Wi-Fi only. The washer may download small firmware updates. Allow them to finish. If the status shows registering, wait, do not close the app. When the app reports success, you'll be able to name the appliance and set basic preferences. You're nearly finished. Run a short test wash from the app to verify remote start, status updates, and notifications. Make sure the machine appears in your device list and that firmware is current. Update if needed. Name the washer so voice assistants or multiple users can find it. If connection fails, perform a network reset. Power off the washer, hold the Wi-Fi/pair button for about 10 seconds with power on to reset the module, then repeat pairing. If it still fails, check that your routers too. 4 GHz band is enabled and not hidden.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.